Hey plug heads, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving in a new video and trust me, you don't want to miss a second. Ready? Let's jump in. This plugin is called Neural Node and is one of the best audio to MIDI converters out there. It's not perfect and it's all the way accurate, no, but the best part, it's free. Simply load it onto audio track you want to convert in MIDI and press record button it's here, and once it's done you can drag the MIDI file out to the plugin onto another track where you can add a synth you like, a piano, stuff like that.